Hello guys! Today we're going to open a new Hot Wheels car. This car is named Erican. Wait a minute. That's Modrod. Who put that Modrod on Erican Steinrod's package? What? What? That doesn't make any sense. What? Uh, uh, what the? Ah, yes. This is the first ever Hot Wheels factory error I found. So this is the first ever Hot Wheels factory error that I'm going to open. This is the Erican Steinrod's package, and this is Modrod inside the package of Erican Steinrod. Well, I'm going to open it anyways. Oh, come on. There we go. So here is that imposter Modrod. I got super lucky that this car is 100% treasure hunt from eCase. Seriously, I don't know why Modrod came in Erican Steinrod's package, but also, this is not actually the real Erican Steinrod. This is the real Erican Steinrod. Yep, that's how it fits. Yeah, it fits. But actually, this plastic package actually doesn't fit, but it fits. But the Modrod, well, as for that plastic package, Modrod fits well. So, were you going to talk to each other?
Yes. I'm sorry, Eric and Steinrod, that I got into your package.
That's okay. Mistakes can happen.
Yeah.
So guys, thanks for watching.